To my fellow Filipinos, today I stand before you with a heavy heart. Our brave fishermen who have worked in the West Philippine Sea for generations are treated like thieves in their own waters. They face danger, hardships, and insults as they struggle to fish near Scarborough Shoal. For many years, our fishermen could catch plenty of fish and live decent lives. But because of the presence of the Chinese Coast Guard, they are being chased away and their lives are made difficult. They can no longer enter the lagoon where they used to fish. Instead, they must sneak around, risking their boats and their lives. In 2016, we won an international case saying that the West Philippine Sea belongs to us. But even after this victory, the China ignores the ruling. They still control Scarborough Shoal, blocking our fishermen and claim what is rightfully ours. When our fishermen are blocked from fishing, it is not just about them. It affects all of us. It affects our economy, our food supply, and our way of life. We cannot allow others to take what is ours. So it is time for us to speak up. Our fishermen deserve better. They are not thieves. They are hard-working Filipinos trying to provide for their families. We must support them, protect our seas, and fight for our rights. So let us unite and fight for what belongs to us. The West Philippine Sea is ours, and we will not give up on it. We will support our fishermen and ensure that their voices are heard. Because together, we can make a difference. Thank you for listening, and we will stand strong for our country and for our fishermen. Thank you.